Hello and welcome to this tutorial on cryptocurrency exchange rate online. Here we have a list of all cryptocurrencies along with their key stats. And here we have Bitcoin, its market cap, its fully diluted market cap, its last value, its available coins, its total coins, its traded volume, and its rate of change relative to the previous period. Here we have lots of different crypto coins. This tool covers all of the cryptocurrencies on the planet. It shows 842 different crypto coins here. It gives you the key stats of every cryptocurrency. As I mentioned in a previous video, it is a simple cryptocurrency converter. It will convert whatever cryptocurrency you select to its equivalent in US dollars, or you can convert it to any other cryptocurrency or currency. For instance, if I select Bitcoin here, it shows the equivalent of $1 in Bitcoin. Here you can see we have 50,174 Bitcoin per US dollar. It's a simple calculator that gives you the current value of any cryptocurrency. You can convert easily using this tool. And here above, we have all of the cryptocurrency's key stats. So if you are a crypto trader and are looking for something that can help you in your crypto trading, this tool is what you need.